Hello. So yeah, you're looking at my motherboard, and it's from Asus, and yeah, they got 6 SATA ports there, and you can see they are angled, which is good. 6 of them, and yeah, with the motherboard they include SATA cables. So with this motherboard, even though it's have 6 ports, they include only 4 cables. The problem is that with the cables, yeah, this 90-degree angle. There's a problem with that. You see, they are angled. I can't fit this one. Not even on the top slot, because the cable will hit the case. So I can't use this. So I hate 90-degree angles. Same thing with this. I have this hard drive cage. You see the bottom slot there, and you see on the left side there's a little bit of a tag, and that should match. So it has to be like this, but I can't because the cable will hit the fan headers. Same thing on this side. You see there's a switch for the fans, the speed of the fans. It will actually hit that switch. And I can't really place it on the second one either, because that will cover the last slot. Same thing with the top. It will cover that middle one. Why do motherboard manufacturers add 90-degree SATA cables? I hate them. God. It's another thing if like the SATA ports is going straight up. Then you can have like 2, or the last row like 90-degree, but this doesn't work. So why do they add 90-degree cables? If there's a hole right in the case, right underneath the cables, then yeah, then the 90-degree cables work. But what the fuck? So right now, what I have to do is that when I got a RAID card, I got this, it was included, or these blue cables were included. You see the branding on the cable says High Point. And these are super long. These are like 90 centimeters. So what's that? Let's see. Yeah, you can calculate your inches. So let's see. 4 inches is 10 centimeters. So like 30 inches or whatever. So these are super long. I like the contacts on these ones because they are quite small. They don't have any locking mechanism, but that's just fine. So right now I have to use these super long cables in this case, and I had to push them in back here underneath here. So yeah, but anyway, I hate 90-degree angled SATA cables.